fleeing and eluding, reckless operation of a jet ski, BUI, blowing the no speed zone. Hey, he fell off! He fell off! Handcuff him. Get on him and handcuff him.
FWC law enforcement officers are patrolling a no-wake zone of Whale Harbor Channel in the Florida Keys. Officers observe a jet skier on plane or using maximum propulsion to rise up and glide on top of the water. Officers pull next to the jet skier and begin to give him a warning. He pretends he doesn't understand, then takes off leading the officers on a high-speed water pursuit until the operator falls off his personal watercraft. Leave a comment with your thoughts. Thanks for watching.
Recording.
Hey, give it to me. Grab him and handcuff him. Paige, help him out. Get over here right now.
Get over here right now.
Grab him. Grab him, Pablo. Paige, help him. Come on.
I got you.
Get the fuck on this boat.
Yes, sir. Hold on. I got you.
No, you don't got shit. Handcuff him. Get on him and handcuff him.
Get on your stomach. Get on your stomach. What were you thinking, dude?
Oh yeah, you're going to jail. You picked up felonies for running. You're gonna give us when you're gonna need your name and date of birth. You know that, right? All right. Are you wanted, man? I mean, that's you running like somebody that's wanted. So you know if you don't give us your name, you're gonna pick up more charges, right? Oh yeah, you are. The failure to give information to a law enforcement officer called obstruction. That's called a charge. So we need your name and date of birth, or I'm going to book you into Monroe County, and you sit there until you give them your name, and you don't leave jail.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine.
You want to do that then?
No.
No. I'm not playing this game.
I'm not playing games
I'm not playing this game with you.
I'm not playing games either.
Yes, you are, because you're not giving me your damn name. Do you understand? That's called a game. I am a law enforcement officer.
Yes,
you
sir.
need to give me your name. You're under arrest for felonies and misdemeanors. I will keep tacking on charges.
Sir, I want to know
No, we're done playing. John Doe, you're done playing bullshit.
Okay. How did you end up on this ski? Tell me that one more time.
I was at the sandbar. We went fishing. We caught a couple tuna. We caught mahi.
Okay, who went fishing?
Me
And?
and my buddies.
Okay, how many?
Me.
Just how many buddies?
It was me, 2 boys, and a girl.
Okay.
And then we stopped in the sandbar.
Okay.
And then we ran into these people that had the jet ski. Oh, want to hop on the jet ski? Da, da, da. Oh, yeah. Oh, take the jet ski. Take the jet ski. So what are my charges?
All right, you want me to go down the list already?
I'm not being asked.
Okay, we're going to go with felony fleeing and eluding. That's a felony. You're going to get reckless operation of a jet ski, which is a misdemeanor. You're getting a BUI, which is a misdemeanor. You're going to get blowing the no speed zone and going over a flat in the jet ski, which are Indias. You're going to get expired registration on your jet ski. Do you have a boater safety ID card? That's a probably no. So I'm going to say you're probably going to pick that up. Your life jacket's not the right type of life jacket. It doesn't have a zip up. It's just these crappy things. You had it half unbuckled when I pulled up on you. That's another ticket. You got a lot going on, my friend. If you didn't run, all you were probably going to get was a BUI. You ran. You added a felony on it, and a reckless operation. So you. I can't tell you. That's between you and the judge. It's a felony. You have to see a judge. They're not going to give you a bond preset. You have to see a judge, and well, guess what tomorrow is? A holiday. Guess what the following day is? A holiday. The next day is a Sunday, so you're probably going to sit in jail until Monday.
Originally, my main goal was to be in Marine Patrol.
I don't think that's gonna happen anymore.
Hold on. Listen.
Okay, I'll listen. You're talking.
But I'm not being rude. I'm not being asshole. But I went through Monroe County's Police Academy. So technically through the Florida Keys. Went through that. It was about I'd say 9 months, 10 months. The hurricane came through. Went through all that shit, graduated. Then after that, I ended up just traveling for a little bit. And then, whenever I was trying to come back in the States, it was a bad time to be a cop, to be honest. Like, this is my goal, what you guys are doing. I'm not kissing ass, I'm not talking my ass or anything.